All right, next exercise with ASD control is going to be our cervical extension restoration. So with this exercise, I like most people to do it in a seated position to start. And in the seated position, as you can see here, I'm going to simply be lifting the chin back and holding the head in this position. Now my hands, they can be to your sides, they can be on the chest. But you're going to hold this position. I like to say start with 30 seconds each time. 3 sets, right? So doing it repeatedly 3 different times. If you can do it spaced out with like 30 seconds in between or at different times of the day, it's just important that we're getting that movement in. And so pulling the chin back, allowing it to hang, and then building up to about 2 minutes. So what I like to do is every week add 30 seconds, and then eventually what you'll be able to do, if you want to come around this way, is we can progress this exercise, pretend this is some type of bench or bed, and actually allow the head to hang straight down here like this. And so by allowing it to hang, we are increasing the specificity with this exercise. And so there's going to be the effects of gravity that are coming down. Again, that's going to restore a lot of that curvature that we're looking for. And one of the last ways, if I dig it out here, for those who have prescribed a cervical orthotic, this is essentially the same type of movement, but with your cervical orthotic, it's going to be providing very localized pressure to these specific areas, and it's all dependent on whether or not you are a candidate for using the cervical orthotic. If you have gotten one of these, you've already gotten the information, the videos, and our tech coordinator has gone through with you in how to specifically use this. But again, this is that movement. I like to think about it like on steroids. And so making sure you're using and doing that cervical extension restoration and a lot of these other ASD control exercises each and every day, and that will help with your biostructural function.